What if I told you that two simple things, chalk and wood ash, could completely transform your soil and supercharge your plants? Stick around, because today I'm revealing a secret gardening hack that farmers don't want you to know. Chalk is full of calcium carbonate. It balances acidic soil and makes nutrients easier for plants to absorb. Calcium also strengthens plant cell walls, giving you stronger roots, healthier stems, and greener leaves. Now, let's add another secret ingredient, wood ash. If you've ever burned wood at home, you already have this lying around. Wood ash is packed with potassium, phosphorus, and trace minerals. These nutrients boost flowering, improve root growth, and help plants fight off pests and diseases. Here's the simple method. Crush a few chalk sticks into fine powder. Take 2 to 3 tablespoons of wood ash. Sprinkle both around the base of your plant, so the nutrients seep into the soil. This combo works like magic. It will balance soil acidity, add calcium, potassium, and phosphorus, boost flowering and fruiting, strengthen roots and stems, protect plants from disease.